Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to see your library on Epic Games website. Alright, let's begin. Although there isn't currently a way to directly check your library, there is a workaround. Start by heading up and click on the profile icon, and then sign in to your Epic Games account or use one of the options below to sign in. Once you're signed in, hover your cursor over the profile icon, then select Account and you will be on this page. Then go to the side panel and select Transactions. Here you will see all of the games in your library. Even if they're free games, each game will be listed under the description heading. If you're looking for a specific game, then press Ctrl F. Then type in the game you're looking for and your game will be displayed. So that's all for this video. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, make sure to like this video and subscribe the channel. See you guys in the next video. Thanks.